The lady on the right-hand side of the screen is Shannon Bream. All right, Shannon, I think Biden wanted an open border, and I think he won the deal. What say you?
A lot of people here in Washington feel the same way. They are frustrated. When you have Democrats who are speaking out now about what's happening, like Eric Adams there in New York City and all over the place, there have been lawsuits in Chicago, other big cities that say we can't handle this influx, where people who live along the border say we've been handling this kind of influx. July, the numbers were up 30% illegal crossings. So it's a real problem for this administration. One you don't hear them talk about very much. And certainly when it comes to the vice president being assigned to handle the root causes of migration, we're still waiting to hear from her. And now this may show up in the spending fights as well, because you've got Congressman Chip Roy out of Texas, a Republican, saying to all of his fellow Republicans, do not fund the Department of Homeland Security unless we get concrete structures in place to enforce border security. This could be a big showdown in September for those appropriations bills, too.
Let's turn to the law, which is very much your area, Shannon. Special counsel Jack Smith, he wants a January trial for Donald Trump. Is that fair, being that this campaign will be in full swing and he's got other trials as well?
He does have a lot of trials, so they want to start January 2nd. They say it'll take 4 to 6 weeks. His team says absolutely not. Of course, that falls at the Iowa caucuses, New Hampshire, South Carolina, Nevada, all of those early states where he's fighting to lock in the nomination. They're going to go to the judge and say it's not possible to do it. They also say they need to see the evidence first. They argue we can't know when this trial should start, how much prep time we need, or how long it should take until we see the evidence. The Justice Department is saying we don't want to start turning over evidence until we iron out this protective order. They're arguing about that in court today. What evidence, what material the former president will or will not be allowed to talk about publicly.
But whether there's a trial in January or not is that really, it's important, but there will be other trials which will occur next year before the election and right in the middle of the campaign. So regardless of Jack Smith and January the 2nd, this is going to be unfair right from the get. I'm saying it's unfair. Will you agree with me on that?
Well, I would say this. It's going to be a handful for him and his legal team. To prep a client for any one trial is excessive amounts of time. To do this for 3 or 4 or 5 different trials, very, very cumbersome to any legal team and to any defendant. So his team tried to argue when they were working on a trial date in Mar-a-Lago about the case there. That's now set for May of next year. They had argued the man is running for president. The judge there said people who are charged with federal crimes have important jobs all the time. You still got to show up in court. So, you know, there are plenty of folks who will say this is designed to keep him off the campaign trail. He will say, though, every time I'm indicted, every time I face one of these trials, I am going to go up in the polls and in the fundraising. And so far, he's been right.
OK. I'll do the opinion. You stick to the facts. That's what you're real good at. So I'll mind myself in the future. Shannon Bream.
Great to see you, Stu.
You too. We'll be watching 2 o'clock Eastern, Sunday, Fox News Sunday with Shannon Bream. All right.